Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be another unboxing video. It's Nvidia Shield TV Pro. And I've been hearing a lot of good thing about it. I decided I'm gonna try it on, and yeah, let's have a look. I have to cut them up here. Okay. Right on. So there it is. It looks really great. It's smaller than I thought because here is the, a lot of people calling it Toblerone remote. It feels really good though, and with minimalist key. And nice thing is, you can let it stand. It's awesome. Let's put it aside for a bit. And here is the Nvidia Nvidia Shield TV Pro, and it's really small. And from the side you can see here two USB, one HDMI port, and one Ethernet, and also the power plug. And yeah, looks really great. And then I think yes. And also here you have the power brick, and what I see here now, let me see how many watt is this. Yeah, so it's quite nice here. This is the adapter for we are here in Europe, in the Netherlands, and we have a different adapter when you are in the state. And some guideline here. And I guess that's it, guys. So this is the full scape Nvidia TV Shield Pro. I hope you love it, and if you want me to also review it here, how I'm gonna use it, I'm probably gonna install a Plex media server. No, probably not. I'm probably gonna do more Plex media client, because I also have there for my server. And yeah, and speak to you guys next time. See ya.